Racing just is started with Chikatsu. Break quickly at the start. Royal Jewels is down on the inside. Bodica. Barkadahan comes next. Pure Motion. Zambot down on the inside. Speed Spell. Miss Manila. Maliwalas in the middle portion. And on the outside, compelled to lead while Biodata is the early trailer by about 14 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn with Chikatsu by about 4 lengths. Royal Jewels in second. Bodica is racing in third. Barkadahan is done in fourth. Then next online, Sambat Maliwalas is done on the inside. Pure Motion, Miss Manila, Speed Spell, Biodata while compelled to lead. Now racing in 11th. Back to the leader. We have Chikatsu maintaining a 4 lengths lead. Royal Jewels in second, and in third comes Bodica. Barkadahan now trying to get closer in fourth. Maliwalas is down in fifth. Miss Manila, Sambat, Speed Spell, Pure Motion, Biodata while compelled to lead. Now racing in last, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have Bodica, Royal Jewels, Barkadahan is down in third. Royal Jewels, and on the outside now is Bodica. Barkadahan still in third. Last 100 meters, we have Royal Jewels. Bodica is on the outside. Royal Jewels, Bodica, and finally it's Royal Jewels, Bodica, Barkadahan, Miss Manila, Maliwalas, and Speed Spell for your Super 6.